chemical change? Any change in a substance that involves a rearrangement of the way its atoms are bonded. Burning paper is considered a chemical change because you are changing the chemical nature of paper by adding energy to it and turning it into ash. Once turned into ash, it cannot be reverted back to its original state, paper. Frying an egg is considered a chemical change. This is because the liquid becomes solid and the white of the egg becomes white instead of the initial color clear. The properties of a fried egg are different from a raw egg. These changes are irreversible. Baking is a chemical reaction for a few reasons. First off, heat is being applied to change a substance. In our example, the cake mix oil and eggs into another substance, the baked cake. Reactions occur such as water and moisture turning to steam as a result of the heat, and ingredients like water and cake mix react to create a fluffy cake. Secondly, the chemical change is irreversible. You put the ingredients that make up the cake together and you can't change them back. The ingredients don't go back to their original form. Physical change. When a substance changes its phase or some other physical property, but not its chemical property.
By ripping the sheet of paper into smaller pieces, you are just dividing the paper into smaller sections. You have not altered the nature of the paper, and the smaller sections do not have different properties. Dissolving sugar in water is a physical change because even though the sugar molecules are dispersed within the water, the individual sugar molecules are unchanged. Mixing sugar and water simply produces sugar in water. The substances may change form, but not identity, hence a physical change. Coloring paper is a physical change because when you color the paper, it changes only the physical appearance of the paper, not its chemical composition. A change of state is considered a physical change. In this scenario, we can observe a number of physical properties changing, such as its shape and thickness, also known as viscosity. As ice turns into water, it does not retain a solid shape, but instead becomes an oozing fluid. It simply changes from H2O solid to H2O liquid. Moreover, just as ice can change from solid to liquid, the liquid can be transformed back into its original state of a solid.